Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to upload high quality reels on Instagram, and let's dive right in. Now, to upload high quality reels on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app. And before we proceed from over here, guys, do make sure that your reel that you're about to upload on Instagram is created on high quality through a high-end device like a camera. But if you have uploaded or captured, but if you have captured the reel with your phone, then make sure that your phone's camera setting is to the highest quality. And after taking those steps, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon and a small circle. Tap on it, and on this interface, again at the top right corner of the screen, there is a three-lined icon. Tap on it, guys, and from over here scroll down until you can find data usage and media quality option available for us. Over here, tap on data usage and media quality, and over here, guys, you can see there is the upload at the highest quality option available at the bottom of the screen, and there is a toggle icon at the right side of it. And if you turn it on, guys, the reels that you have upload or that you want to upload on Instagram will be made high quality. And guys, this is how to upload high quality reels on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.